Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the Circle Worksheet. On the next two slides I provide the lyrics of a rap song about the circle. Enjoy. And here are the next three verses of the rap song. And here are the problems now for the worksheet. We have four separate problems, and you will see that the answers are on the next two slides. So I'll just leave this on for a few seconds. You can pause it for as long as you like so that you're able to do each of the problems. Okay, here are the answers now for the first two problems. I'll leave them on for a short while before I move on to the next two answers. You'll notice here that the center of the circle is over here, so there's the origin there, so it will be -3, 3. So that's the center. -3, 3. And the radius is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the square root of 36. I'll move on to the next two answers now. I'll move on to the next slide now. So in this video, Maths with Jacob has attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music by presenting the rap song on the circle. I'll move on to the next slide now, where you can click on the link if you need any help.